Say hi to YouTube, Liam.
Hi.
Alright, we're back here today. Yesterday we power washed the bike and we took off the fuel tank and a few other things so we could get to the engine. As you can see, I've already removed the cylinder head. The top of the piston doesn't look too bad. Where's our cylinder head? Here's our cylinder head. It looks like our inner head gasket O-ring was a little bit compromised here, and the carbon buildup corresponds with all that, so I think that might help a lot of our compression issues and the burning of the antifreeze. But we have the top end kit getting ready to go in shortly. I have to finish taking the cylinder off. You can't really see too well in there. But it doesn't look too bad. No deep scoring or anything like that I can really see. So we're just going to clean it up and pop the new piston back in there in the kit. So we have everything off: the exhaust, the radiators, side plates, hoses. So, yep, here we go. I'll make another video when we get it more taken apart.